If you're tired of boring social media posts, this is the video for you. In this video, I'll show you how to design a viral-worthy content using Canva, even if you're a beginner. Now let's get started. So guys, once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to social media. You're going to click on Instagram post. And once that's pulled up, you're going to go to upload. And you're going to choose the picture that you want to use. Okay guys, once you selected your picture, you're going to delete the background. And you're going to go to elements on the left. And you're going to type in frame. Okay, you're going to click on the frames. And you're going to find the frame that you want to use. I'm going to use this one right here. Okay, I'm going to bring it up some. I'm going to double click the picture. And I'm going to put it inside the frame itself. Okay, I'm going to double click the frame. And I'm going to drag it out. Okay, I'm trying to make it the exact same as the picture. Just put him on top of himself. Okay, all right, that looks pretty good. Click done. Okay, you just drag it all the way up to the top. Okay, all right guys, so once that's done, we're going to group it. Okay, click group, and we're just going to make it a little bigger. Okay, all right, center it. All right, the next thing guys we're going to do is go to the elements on the left, and we're going to type in red splash. Okay, click on the graphics. I'm going to use this one right here. All right, I'm going to make it a little smaller. Okay, make this a little bigger. All right, and what we're going to do, just stick it right there on the left side. Copy and paste and drag it over here. Okay, we're going to copy and paste again. Drag it right here. Okay, next thing guys we want to do is go to uploads, and this is the picture I'm going to use. I'm going to remove the background. I'm going to place him here. Okay, guys, the next thing we want to do is go to elements on the left, and we're going to type in gold podium. Click on graphics. I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to reduce the size of it. Okay, all right, I'm going to send it, go to layer, and I'm going to send it back. All right, okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go right back to element. We're going to type in shadow. Okay, on the graphics, I'm going to choose this one right here. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size of it, so we're just going to make it smaller and put it underneath his feet. Okay, next thing guys we want to do is right click, go to layer, showing layers, and we're going to move this behind the guy. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to change our background color. We're going to click this here and click on gradient, and then we're going to click the gray button, then the plus button. Okay, and then change this one right here to like a off-white, and then we're going to choose this one right here in the center. Okay, so you have that the light in the background. Okay, so next done, we're going to type in elements Instagram light. Okay, click on graphics. Okay, so this is the one I like. I'm going to copy and paste and just drag it to the left. I'm going to make it smaller. Then I'm going to copy this one and paste it, and I'm going to drag it below. Copy and paste this one as well. I'm going to drag it over here. Okay. And then I'm going to copy this one, and I'm going to make it a little smaller as well and drag it below. Okay. Okay, guys, the next thing we want to do is type in rectangle. Okay. And what we're going to do is go up here to the top. We're going to remove the color. All right. And we're going to click on border style. We're going to increase it to about 9. Okay. Thing guys we're going to do is click on the border color to white, and we're going to drag it and drag it all the way out, and make sure you center it. Okay. All right. So guys, this is the final result, and it does look pretty good to me. The next thing you can do is click share in the right corner, click the download button, and click download. So guys, now you're ready to make your Instagram pop with amazing designs. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.